Packing for a flight can be tricky. Bring too little and you'll regret it halfway through the journey. Bring too much and you'll be fighting your luggage at security. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 best things to bring on a plane. The essential items that make every flight smoother, more comfortable and far more enjoyable. 10. A reusable water bottle. Let's start with something simple but essential. A reusable water bottle. Airplane cabins are notoriously dry and dehydration can sneak up on you fast. Bringing your own empty bottle through security means you can fill it up afterward and stay hydrated throughout the flight. It's eco-friendly, saves money on overpriced bottled water and helps reduce waste. Bonus tip: choose a collapsible bottle or one with a built-in filter for extra convenience when traveling internationally. Number 9. Noise-cancelling headphones or earbuds. Few things ruin a flight faster than constant background noise. The hum of the engines, crying babies or chatty seamates. A good pair of noise-cancelling headphones transforms that chaos into peaceful silence. They're perfect for watching movies, listening to music or simply catching some rest. Wireless earbuds work great for short flights, while over-ear headphones are ideal for long hauls when you need to block out the world completely. Number 8. Snacks and light meals. Let's be honest, airplane food isn't always delicious. That's why packing your own snacks can make a world of difference. Bring protein bars, nuts, dried fruit or a sandwich from home. Avoid anything too smelly or messy, and remember that liquids like yogurt or soap may get flagged at security. Having your favorite snacks not only saves money, but also keeps your energy up on long flights when meal service can take hours to arrive. Number 7. Travel pillow and blanket. Comfort is everything on a long flight, and that starts with a good travel pillow and a light blanket. Airplane pillows and thin blankets rarely do the job. A supportive neck pillow helps prevent stiffness, while a cozy travel blanket keeps you warm when the cabin temperature drops. For maximum comfort, choose a memory foam pillow or an inflatable one that packs small. Some travelers even bring a large scarf or shawl that doubles as both a fashion piece and a blanket. Number 6. Sanitizing wipes and hand sanitizer. Airplanes are shared spaces, and that tray in front of you, it's one of the dirtiest surfaces on board. Always pack sanitizing wipes to clean your seat area, tray table, armrests and screen before you settle in. A small bottle of hand sanitizer, under 3.4 ounces, is another must-have for use before meals or after touching overhead bins. Staying healthy while traveling starts with small habits, and this one is easy to keep. Number 5. Portable charger and charging cable. Few travel situations cause more panic than watching your phone's battery drop to zero at 35,000 feet. A portable charger ensures your device stays powered for the entire trip. Look for one that's lightweight yet powerful enough to charge your phone multiple times. Don't forget to pack a short charging cable, ideally one that works for multiple devices. Many newer planes have USB ports, but not all do, so it's always best to come prepared. Number 4. Entertainment essentials. Even with in-flight entertainment, it's smart to bring your own options. Load your phone or tablet with movies, podcasts, playlists or ebooks before boarding. Streaming services like Netflix and Spotify allow you to download content offline, perfect for when Wi-Fi is unreliable or expensive. Bring a simple tablet stand or clip for hands-free viewing, and remember to keep your devices on airplane mode once on board. Number 3. Toiletry kit and personal care items. A small toiletry kit can be a lifesaver mid-flight. Pack travel-size essentials like a toothbrush, toothpaste, lip balm, facial wipes and a moisturizer, all under TSA's 3.4-ounce limit. Add an eye mask and earplugs for overnight flights, and you'll land feeling refreshed instead of exhausted. A small tube of hand cream or hydrating mist can also combat that dry cabin air. It's the little comforts that make long-haul travel so much better. Number 2. Travel documents and essentials folder. This one might sound obvious, but it's often overlooked. Keep your passport, boarding pass, ID, travel insurance and itinerary together in one organized travel wallet or folder. Include copies of important documents stored both physically and digitally just in case. Having everything in one place makes airport security and boarding much less stressful. It also helps when you're moving quickly through customs or need to access your information mid-trip. Number 1. A positive attitude and a dose of patience. At the top of our list isn't a gadget, it's a mindset. Air travel can be unpredictable. Delays, turbulence, and tight spaces happen. Bringing a positive attitude may sound simple, but it's the single most important thing you can pack. A smile and a little patience can turn a frustrating flight into a manageable one. Chat with your seatmate, enjoy a movie, read a good book. Make the most of the journey as part of the adventure. After all, the destination will feel even sweeter when you've flown there with calm and grace. Which of these items do you never fly without? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe and unleash your wanderlust by watching our latest video. Have a great day and safe travels!